Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka B.Rich Beauty, aka your beauty best friend, and welcome back to my channel. Question of the day, how you masking? We're doing another masking video and we're gonna focus on eyes. More specifically, we're gonna talk about liner and lash. So let's get this party started. Let's go. Obviously with this series with masking, it's really about amplifying the eye presence. So I thought we'll go classic and simple. Eyeliner, graphic eyeliner, a little how-to tips, and a lot of mascara. So first up, I'm gonna start with a little bit of Prep and Prime 24-hour eye base, just to kind of even out my eyelid and create a nice even canvas that's gonna last and last for us. Cause you know, we masking around here. Fluffy brush. Prep and Prime, start in the center, and we're just sweeping it across and up. So I came to the party already with my face on and my brows, and so we're just gonna really focus on eyes today. Take a little, we're gonna go underneath. And what I love about the Prep and Prime 24-hour eye base, if I haven't mentioned it before, is it creates a nice, soft, diffused effect around the eye. I'm so obsessed with the Art Library Nude Model Palette by MAC. Super simple, fluffy brush, a little bit of espresso eyeshadow, mixed with a little bit of Outre. Y'all know I'm a mixer, honey. Call me Betty Crocker. Brandon Crocker. Just call me. Just gonna do this in the socket primarily, just to give a little bit of definition. Side to side sweeping motions. Here's a question for the family. Do you have trouble with the symmetry of your liner? It's okay, I'm not judging. Raise your hand. Here's a tip. Grab an angle brush, grab your powder and your complexion, load both sides, and you can use this to draw your angle for your liner and just follow that. And that way, y'all see that? I'm gonna try a bigger mirror. You know I'm a little wise in these eyes, honey. I'm obsessed with this liner. It's the Brush Black Brushstroke liner by MAC. It's dark, it's black, it's super easy to manipulate. Love this liner. We're gonna go in and we're gonna lay our angle. So just follow along what you created with your angle brush and your powder. We're gonna lift up. Boom. The great thing about having a portable mirror is you can actually look down into it to free up all this good old eye space. I rarely ever do liner looking straight ahead in the mirror on the wall. Another tip, take a sip. I'm gonna connect from the middle, bring across my eye, and we're gonna go thinner as we work our way in. I don't want the eyeliner to take up my entire eye space. All I have to do now is just go in and fill it in. Super easy. But we're gonna work in tandem. So we're gonna start on this side and do the same thing. Perfect. So now all you have to do is go in and fill in. Use the side of the brush, of the liner, to get as close to the root of the lash as possible. Made a little boo-boo. I'll show you how to clean that up, okay? This is just me, but I feel like when I do liner, my face never looks cute. How do you make a cute face when you're doing liner? Because I'm like, ah. Voila. So we have it on. I think I'm gonna make this a little bit more wingy. So I'm just gonna build on what we already have. And so that's a really great tip. Start small and you can make it as long as you want to. But if you just go in starting all big, sometimes what happens is it gets out of control and it gets bigger and bigger, and then you're like, my entire eye is covered in a wing. So I'm just gonna take this, I'm gonna build and pull this up. Do I look wingy? Do the same thing on this side. Voila, So now what I'm gonna do is do a little bit of eyeliner on the bottom using a pencil. We're gonna smudge that out and then we'll clean up. We're almost there. I'm taking Brush Black eyeliner, connecting where the liner left off in the outer corner here. I'll pull this into my waterline like this. There's a beauty in mixing in graphic with smoky. Pencil brush. Just to soften it up. Super easy, right? Let's do the other eye. I'm gonna take a little bit of Dance in the Dark and just into the liner, add a little bit more shadow on the bottom just to keep it from moving, just to add to that sultry, smoky effect. This tip is also a great tip to take your liner from daytime into evening as well. Adding a little bit of shadow on top and just smoking it out. Do a little on top here as well. Not to make it completely smoky all around, but you add a little element of it on top. Now, I got a little boo-boo that I start to clean up though. Do that now. Flat brush. Powder your complexion, upside down, rest your brush, cut it away. Because we did a darker color in our socket, this actually gives us a little bit of skin tone brightness that makes this now have a little bit more dimension. And I'm just gonna do a little bit more on the bottom. I'm gonna clean up. Just a little bit of powder through here. Brighten. Now all we have to do is mascara. Now I'm gonna introduce you to a mascara trio of mine because you know, 3 is always more fun. And I'm gonna tell you why I'm doing 3 today because I'm not gonna do a false lash, but if you want the false lash effect without having to wear a false lash, I love this combo. So I'm gonna start first with the False Lash Maximizer by MAC. It's a mascara primer. So this is gonna give me volume, thickness, length, curl, even before we do our mascara. So I've already curled my lashes. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna zhuzh. You can use the little dollop at the end and paint through individually and go back and comb through. I'm gonna do the other eye while that's drying. The great thing about this is you don't want this to dry all the way, but you want it to become slightly dry before you apply mascara. Y'all know I love me some MAC Extended Play Mascara. 1, because the wand is curved, and this is the Perm Me Up version. So this is gonna define and curl as well. So my first coat here is going to separate out the lash. Almost like if I'm wearing individuals. Come on, look at that. I wouldn't be your beauty best friend if I didn't say that I saw something with this liner over here and I gotta fix real quick. So let's just take a moment to pause for that. Cause you know, we in this makeup game together. We're gonna go in with Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I love this wand. It really makes the lash nice and big and full. And so because the Extended Play Mascara kind of separated them out like individuals, Better Than Sex is going in and it's pumping up the volume for us. So we're getting this big false lash effect with your own lash. And because we masking, we gotta really put emphasis on the lash. Do you guys see the difference? And this combo is my lash cocktail for full lash. How we looking, beauty besties? I like it. All right, guys, liner, mascara, we are done. How you masking? You know what to do, guys. If you like the video, like it, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, I hope you enjoy this video. We went big We went exaggerate because we're wearing a mask and we're staying safe. So wear your mask, stay safe, and until next time, love you lots. Bye.